Hello students, today we are going to discuss the ninth numerical of indeterminacy of frames. Question is written as find the kinematic indeterminacy of the frame structure shown in the figure for extensible member. Now we need to calculate here the total kinematic indeterminacy of this frame structure. Now from the previous discussions, we know that in case of extensible member, each and every joint will be subjected to three possible movements, that is horizontal displacement, vertical displacement and the rotation. So we just write three value at each and every joint, that is vertical displacement, horizontal displacement and the rotation. Now, due to fixed support at A and B, the degree of freedom will be equals to 0. We know that. Okay. And at support C, due to hinge support, the degree of freedom will be equals to 1 only. Now, at internal hinges, we know that if internal hinge is not there, then there will be three possible movements, that is one horizontal displacement, one vertical displacement and one rotation. Now, due to presence of internal hinge, we have more number of rotations. Now, how many number of rotation will be present in each and every internal hinge? Now, the number of rotation will be equals to the number of members connecting at that internal hinge. So, at this internal hinge, there will be two members connecting, so two rotations will be possible. Similarly, at this internal hinge, four members will be connecting, so four rotation will be possible. One vertical displacement will be there and one horizontal displacement will be there. Now, at this internal hinge, there will be three members connecting at this internal hinge. So, the possible rotations are three rotations, one horizontal displacement and one vertical displacement. Now, if you do the sum of all these values, then the total kinematic indeterminacy will be equals to 34. That will be the complete solution of this question. We had determined the kinematic indeterminacy of this frame structure subjected to internal hinges. Okay students, thank you very much.